Have you ever uploaded a TikTok video only to find your sound removed or muted? It's frustrating, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to fix it. When a sound is removed, TikTok usually shows a message at the bottom of your video. If you click on it, it takes you nowhere. You can't use the sound directly anymore. But here's the workaround. First, tap the three dots and select Save Video. Once your video is saved, go to your profile and hit the plus button to upload it again. After adding your video, press Next. Then tap Add Sound. Now you can search for the original sound that was removed, or pick a new one if it's no longer available. Select it, apply it to your video, and you're good to go. Your video now has a working sound and is ready to share with your followers. Fixing a muted TikTok sound is that easy. No more losing your favorite audio or redoing your videos. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more practical TikTok tutorials.